ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳು. ನಾನು ಸುದರ್ಶನ್. ಒಂದು ವರ್ಷ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ಅ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಟು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ an offline seminar in Inspire India. The topic was impact on New India. So it was taken by our Sharan Patil sir. Sakkata ittu. It was an amazing session. We got so much of clarity on the blueprint for the coming 10-15 years. ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಎಕಾನಮಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಟಿ. So before going further on that, I just wanted to tell about the 2020. So March 2020, it was one of the most panic months for everyone in the stock market. Market full crash ಆಯಿತು, ಸಕ್ಕ ಟಪಕ್ ಅಂತ ಬಿತ್ತು because of this corona pandemic. Everybody was in huge tension, panic. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ದುಡ್ಡು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಶುರುವಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ನನಗೂ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ಐ ಕಾಮನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್, ನನಗೂ ಆಯಿತು. But thanks to Inspire India and Sharan Patil sir, they did an amazing job. So they were in touch with all the investors of Inspire India via the webinars. Tumba webinars ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು and they gave facts and figures. ಮುಂಚೆ ಹೆಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ರಿಕವರಿ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. and they told to add more money at this particular point of time. So they told we will see the recovery, but those who do the investment more at this pandemic time and crash time ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we will get more benefits anta they told. So I can say proudly that majority of the Inspire India investors are they didn't book any notional loss in the book market. They didn't escape from the market or from the mutual funds. Everybody was on toes and they were doing the investment and keeping the faith. October, November ಆದಮೇಲೆ there was a huge recovery, and now February ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಬಂತು. our Sensex is at 50,000 ದಾಟಿದೆ and Nifty 15,000 ದಾಟಿದೆ, and all our investments are in good profits. Super ಬಂದಿದೆ, amazing ಬಂದಿದೆ. So thanks to the Inspire India team. So coming to this the impact on New India. So it was mainly focused on our budget of 2021 done by our central government. So adrinda impact enagutte, how our Indian economy is going to boost in the coming 10 years was the topic. So ನನಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು he showed was one matrix. 2006 ಇಂದ 2020 ತನಕ ಒಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು, how the GDP was there. 2008 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಫಾಲ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಮತ್ತು 2000 ಅಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 3 years ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಅಪ್ 2015 ತನಕ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ ಬೂಸ್ಟೆಡ್, and again there was a fall in 2020, and again it is boosting. So right now the market still is at the discounted price, so still it is not yet gone to the peak. So still we have lots and lots of opportunity for investment. So in ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಡ್ಜೆಟ್ 3 points ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು. one was about the ಆತ್ಮನಿರ್ಭರ್ ಭಾರತ್. ಸೊ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, we used to import like made in China, made in Malaysia, ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. No, it is going to change. the Indian like the whole thing is going to change. Like we are going to do the export, but it will be made in India. So more and more of startups is going to come. ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, and our Indian economy is going to grow. Second thing is about the infrastructure of our India is going to have an amazing change. ತುಂಬಾ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮುಂಬೈ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಹೈವೇ. ಅದು ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. It was amazing the way the work is going on. I think these things we never see in social media or in the medias. Paper allo nodalla andala ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. But my India is growing superbly. Third thing is about privatization of the PSUs. ಅದರಿಂದ there is lots and lots of improvement is going to happen. So that the tagline I loved is ನೇಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆಟೋಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕಲಿ ಆಲ್ ದ ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗ್ರೋ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ಲಿ. 100% ಅದು ಆಗೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲಿ I think we should keep invested via the mutual fund SIPs. Let's not break it, and let's see the fruits in the coming 2025 and 2030. So let's enjoy those fruits with our family, and let's for sure our next generation will have an amazing India. They will have lots and lots of good things is going to come for Indians. So it is going to happen. So let's stay invested and let's have the financial freedom, and it is our birthright. We should have it. So let's start investing. Those who are still thinking to invest, ಯಾರು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಯರ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಪ್. ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಅಚೀವ್ ದ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಫ್ರೀಡಮ್. And thanks a lot to Inspire India and Sharan sir. You guys are doing a brilliant job. Thanks a lot.